take the discussion forward with Ashish Tomar, Managing Director and CFO at EMS. The quarterly results are out and they'll just come up on your screen. Ashish, morning. Thank you very much for joining us. Now, water, is in focus, and it appears to be in very strategic importance now for private corporate India as well as citizens, but also for state governments. So, what is the complexion of your order book looking? Which side are you getting most orders from?
So our business primarily is based in water sector. So around 2/3 of our revenue comes from water sector. And going forward, we would like to maintain it.
Your numbers are showing very sharp growth this time around on a year-on-year basis. Almost 50% growth in revenues, 50-60% growth in profits as well. What kind of run rate can you share with us for the full year would you like to sustain, or at least aiming at internally?
So year on year, I think we would be able to maintain our previous growth track record. That was of around 30-35% year-on-year growth.
Okay, 30-35% year-on-year growth is what you're looking at. Can I just understand what is the current order book at? Last couple of months back, I think when we spoke, it was around 2,000 to 2,200 crores. This quarter also you've managed to see some 600-700 crore odd order wins. So what is your current order book at, and how is the execution of the order book over the next couple of quarters?
Yeah, so our unexecuted order book currently stands around 2,200 odd crores, and as far as the execution is in the coming quarter, in this quarter is concerned, for the water sector, this quarter is relatively slow due to the rainy seasons experienced in the country.
Okay.
So our work is primarily based in laying underground pipelines, so that work get slowed down in the rainy season.
We also understand that government, your very reasonable side of your book is actually coming from the government orders. Which are the state governments you are actually in talks with for some bigger orders going forward? Any large orders you're working for?
Currently, we have a bid pipeline of around 6,000 crores that is spread over the northern India region. From West Bengal, Jharkhand, Uttar Pradesh, Uttarakhand, Rajasthan, Madhya Pradesh, etc.
Okay, while that's on the domestic front, what is it on the international front as well? Are you in talks with, on the international front with any companies, any governments over there? What is the trajectory on the overseas front?
Yeah, currently we are not seeking any work in international markets. I think there is enough work to be done in India.
Right, and also just in terms of overall, are you looking to, see any fundraising, anything on that sort? If you could elaborate on that.
No plans right now.
Tell us about what are the growth plans beyond your, the ordinary business, which are any strategic areas you're working for next 2 to 3 years, which can turn out to be a big area of for your business?
Yeah, we are planning to enter manufacturing business, and we have also signed a MOU for development of real estate.
Okay, what manufacturing are you talking about, and real estate development? Do you have land on your books, or would you buy land? And also talk to us, what manufacturing are you indicating at?
For real estate, we are planning to go in as a development partner. So we would not be buying the land. We would just be there for the construction part.
Okay, so it's like a EPC kind of a business. So for other real estate developers, you would be, doing all the construction work. How is generally the margin in that side of the business? How large can it become for you going forward? What is the potential?
So the projects that we are targeting right now, we would maintain the margins that we earn in the EPC sector for the governments. So for all the private real estate projects, our margins, I think, would remain fairly to the tunes of around PAT of 20-22%, etc.
All right, Ashish, we'll let you go on that one. Thank you so much for joining us.
If you like this video, then like, share and subscribe to ET Now.